Welcome to the tax platform where we discuss various matters on tax. In today's episode, we are with our tax consultant, Dumela now. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
On today's episode, we are going to be talking on capital taxation and capital gains tax, or capital gains tax. What is capital gains for tax purposes?
Thank you. When you talk of capital gains, we are looking at where you dispose of immovable property like your land or buildings, and you have a profit. So that profit is called a capital gain. Or maybe if you dispose shares or you dispose a bond, that is capital gain, and you get profit from disposing that. It's capital gains.
Mm-hmm.
So it's basically tells about taxation of profit, disposing those items, shares, bonds, buildings, whether it's your residential building, whether it's a commercial property or maybe an industrial property.
Okay. Are there any exemptions available to taxpayers?
Yes. When it comes to shares, if the shares or bonds that you are disposing were listed in the stock exchange for more than a year, then you are exempt from capital gains. If maybe you were sold at 100,000 and you had bought 850,000, so the 50,000 remaining will be exempt from tax, and you won't be paying tax on that capital gains. Then also when it comes to immovable property like your buildings, especially with a principal private residence, where it's your first home or your, in terms of priority, that's where you spend most of the time at. You can be exempt if you dispose it after 2 years and you reinvest. You'll be exempt from that amount that you are reinvesting in, or maybe if you've owned it for more than 5 years, then you're exempt and you don't need to reinvest on such kind of property. Then another thing is not really an exemption, but it's sort of a deferral, where if you have disposed business property, whether it's you are renting out the property as residential accommodation, or it's an industrial property, a hotel, or a warehouse or offices, and if you dispose that and you use that amount that you have disposed it to reinvest, then that for that particular tax year it will be exempt, such that when you dispose that property that you have reinvested in, that's when you'll be taxable. So it's sort of like a deferral up until you dispose the second property that you had invested in.
Okay. So what can you say about rates to which capital gains are taxed?
Yes. So for capital gains for companies, it's taxed at 22%. Then when it comes to individuals, it's a bit different from the normal payee rates. So the first 18,000 is exempt. Then anything over 18,000 is taxed at 5%. Then after that, the rates are similar to the payee, where over 72,000, 12.5% applies, and over 18.75% applies, and over 144,000 is taxed at 25%.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that was very informative. Thank you, sir. That was it about taxation on capital gains on the tax platform. For more information about this, you can check out our social media platforms on Facebook or Twitter or even on YouTube at the tax platform. This is the tax platform, informing nations on tax matters.